Hey guys, welcome back to another training video. Guys, in this video we will discuss when you open your TikTok app or you may log in or sign in your TikTok with your Apple ID, Google account or your Facebook. You may face a problem that unable to authorize. Please try again. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easy. So simply guys, you may just go back, and first of all guys, if you're using your iPhone, you may just open the settings of your iPhone, and guys, you make sure that you have an active internet connection. If you're connected Wi-Fi, you may click here on Wi-Fi. Click on Wi-Fi name. Here is the option of forget this network and connect it again. Then guys, you may go back, and if you're connected to mobile data, you make sure that your 3G, 4G or 5G is working properly. Then here is the option of general, so you may click here, click on software update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version. Then you may go back, and here is the option of iPhone storage, so you may click here and you may select TikTok from here. Here is the option of offload app. Click here and install it again. Then go back again guys. Here is the option of date and time. Click here, click on set, automatically turn this on. Then guys, you may go back again and click on background app refresh, so you may turn this on. After this is the option of VPN, so you may click here on VPN and device management. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect it. Then you may click here on transfer or reset iPhone. Click here, click on reset and click on reset network settings. Then guys, you may go back and you may open your app store, and guys, here in search bar you may write here TikTok. So let's check guys. You may write here TikTok in search bar, and guys, you may make sure that you have latest or updated version of TikTok app. If you are not latest or updated version, please update your TikTok app from here. Then guys, you may open your TikTok app and you may log in or sign in with your correct Google account or Facebook, and you will check your problem will be fixed and you can log in easily. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.